Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I can crack an egg using my ability hand. So to start, I am going to be in pinch grip. In my experience, this is just the best grip to hold both of the shells of the egg and make that final crack. Pinch grip is really great because I can get a really delicate hold on smaller objects. And I think it's important to note that for specifically the purpose of cracking an egg, not wanting to crush it, I also want to utilize the slow speed of the hand. So basically, if I flex the inner part of my arm, which is what communicates to my hand to close, I can do that slowly and the hand will respond proportionally and will close slowly, so like so. I can also do it really fast by flexing really fast. But for the purpose of cracking an egg, I want to grasp it really slowly so I don't crush it while trying to crack it. So to begin, I'm going to make the initial crack with my dominant hand. I'm going to hold the bowl with my ability hand. And I want to make that crack kind of all the way around. And then with my ability hand, as I said, grasp the shell like so. There we are. That's how I crack an egg. Another thing that I think is just really important to mention is that with any kind of like delicate or fine motor task like this, it's going to take a little bit to learn. I know for me, when I was first cracking eggs and learning how to do it, I was just crushing right through them. But for some people, you might get it on your first try, and that's great. But yeah, I just want to emphasize that it takes practice, it takes learning how to control the hand, which might take a little bit of time, but I'm sure you'll get it in no time.